Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot. Walla. Hey, when you see the video start? You see the video start? Yeah, the man them always use the woman them for function the badness, you know. The man them always use the woman for function the badness, you know. But I'm not going to start the video too much. Go on and ask your walk with people. Ask. Go on. Baby girl. Lord clot.
Reaction.
What's the word to Mr. Boy Terrors, aka the reaction? Boss! I'm back in the video for you guys now. Today we hear a song called One Firm God. Official music video straight out of Guyana. People, what time it is? It is Guyana time right now, people. Listen me, I say Davy Marley featuring Bully. We don't know if you expect it, people. One Firm God, people. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to it if you guys are new. And guess what, people? This song is actually out on all major streaming platforms. So want to go stream the song. There's a link to everything will be down below in the comment section, in the description, pinned. Is me, I say Davy Marley, big up yourself one time. What a guy now, what I deal with? Yo, Linden. I say the man. Mr. No, no. But you know, the reaction box there, we are post every day now. Is me, I say we are going brawling for all channels. I'm not going to talk too much right now. We're not going to talk too much right now. We're going to run. We're going to do what? Run tune. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot. Walla. Hey, when you see the video start? You see the video start? Yeah, the man them always use the woman them for function the badness, you know. The man them always use the woman for function the badness, you know. But I'm not going to start the video too much. Go on and ask your walk with people. Ask. Go on. Baby girl. Lord clot.
Tell them, don't size up to a giant Guyanese, big is small. And no for me dogs, and put your tongue in at the mark. Chop up body parts.
Walla. Don't size up to a giant. Yo, walla. People, watch your style. Watch that style, people.
Baby girl.
Watch your style, people. Watch your style, people. Yeah.
Yo, buddy. Tell them, don't size up to a giant Guyanese, big is small. And no nothing for me dogs, and put your tongue in at the mark. Chop your body parts, then we feed them tongue to the swine.
The dogs send the film dogs and put it down in the blood clip, mag. Chop your body parts up and then feed up to the swine, to the pigs, them to the. Chop your body parts up and feed it up to the what? People, a guy now far from. Talk your talk. Yeah.
Pick up on me dogs and jailhouse we take time.
Yeah.
The road where we choose that we want stay for life.
Yeah.
But mine are too full up with slime.
Hey.
But yes, if it got spot, we go win a TikTok.
Yeah.
Walk by the chop like yellow broad out.
Like when get a brown out. Like when get a do what? Walla. Look how that guy perform him song to that. That's still in the comment section. Watch your style. Watch your style. Read this. Look here.
If it got spot, we go win a TikTok.
Not all.
Walk by the chop like yellow broad out.
Yeah.
And the nigga dog with the fat mouth. But them lack badness with them talk mouth. Squeeze and squeeze till the chica break mama ball out. But the mini game in a
game. I pint it and squeeze till the trigger blood clot broke up. Till the trigger done. Empty the clip basically. The dog just empty the clip in your brains. You're just dead. You pronounce. You don't be mech. You goose cook. You're on show.
Then we go all out. Say them not bad, this meet the devil talk out. Circle them else, God kill a black low. Everywhere you know me. Them pussy couldn't stop. Shot bars full of cat teeth.
Yes.
God, one firm God. Hey.
Hold on. Run tune.
Not the street well neat, pussy bring me well neat. Busting at the traffic, then we put them at the coffin firm. One firm.
I don't know about who bullying the people, not did. We don't know who are bullying that, but we're going to see who the hell is bullying right now. You see me, I say, see that on a shirt already, we know what to expect. Run tune.
Tell them we be fun. Pussy girl want come and give me great. It was them a talk, but me nah go take the fit. Money happy make a man a send them up on the fit. Talk them a talk, but them can't do nothing. Cause when I walk.
Hey, Trinidad.
Guyana, bruh.
Oh, Guyana.
Guyana. Where you was at? You thought you was into some Jamaican music, bruh. The bus and shit.
Yeah, oh, so they did.
Yep. What, yo, bully right now, bully, man. No, I force me here, boy, you know, bully. Y'all go on with your things still, you see me, I say. Y'all go on with your things. Hold on, cry. Bully, y'all go on with your things, you know, bully, you see me, I say. I forced me here, boy, yesterday. Your first song, you see me, I say, your first project. Y'all go on with your things. You see you come out with the orchestra, like everything box on the boy, you see me, I say, oh, this ain't no bully. But go on, do the chop.
With the long ups up hill, head more hotter than bed well up full. Tell them running and them go feel some cool. Talk them no slumber on the move. Money have to make a dog we pick and we fuse. Them can't come around and try to blow none of the views. Come a dog, them ready to let loose. Tell them boy you be cool on them heads. In a tech dog get the clock up on the ledge. Make them boy and kneel down and they say they flex. Everything a man and up them pussy a go dead. Everywhere you know me, them pussy couldn't stop it. Shot bars full of tactic firm.
Afraid that you right there, but dog, when I move so much cutlass, dog, I think of the grenade and madman them walk with cutlass, dog. When I move so brawling with the cutlass them. John, no? Come like we have to chop up a boy, dog. Buckler, man. Anyways. Go on.
It was a bring me well neat, busting at the chopping, then we put them at the coffin firm. God, one firm God. Yeah, it don't start, head cast no sympathy. Make it just a clap like belly a clap rooty. Strike of them clinical, like I'm like Man City. Richie shout out them there.
Alright, hold on. What the blood key just say a while ago? When you say one help and you want to pronounce dead people. Watch her. Watch there. In a dress.
All them say badness no pay. Shell make profit all day. I can't you a get what you think I can't flip.
The fuck is you doing, nigga? Why the fuck would you do that, nigga?
You think you're Jesus, we check you on the third day. We got the 32 the mini gun. Sick and mad anywhere.
Everybody take the shoes off right here, please and thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Even no fuck dog, we no take love dog. Get your head bust dog, we no take love dog.
Listen, man. Alright people, it's a good look. You see me, I say, big up Wavy Gang one time, test speed. You see me, I say, I want to go stream that song on Apple Music, Spotify, all streaming platforms, you see me, I say, you can find. You see me, I say, big up to Code Red Records, recording studio as usual. You see me, I say, big up all of Guyana. People, it's been a boy that was the reaction boss to sign out of here. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on another one. Peace.